more work, more clearing work going on at the side. The guy is clearing these branches from the Udara tree. The branches are falling here. The day they cut the Udara tree. Look at how this place is so clear now. And inside the main house, they are installing the electrical fittings, lights, switches, sockets. If you like these lights, I'll put my electrical supplier's phone number below. Take the title of this video below and you'll see the description box where I'll put the number. I have another video where you will see these lights much better. Link will be below too. At this stage of my stay in Nigeria, it's almost time for me to travel back to base. So yeah, a lot of people were slacking. I was pushing them more. Yeah, workers, contractors and suppliers will set your blood on fire. Yeah, no matter the kind of patience you have. So this one is bond black one. So you hope I see the wall 230. Check when the installer one.
So let's go upstairs.
So I'm biasita. This man nyagwamo me installer na abia or not. Or sim no na abia. Ndi company na dey somehow. Onwe ka ha si eme. Ha na ha ekwu eziokwu. So when you go, it's like at 20.
Oh yeah, by meter 115.
So you have 10 square meter. 10 pieces, 20 pieces, 10 square.
Yes.
So in cabo, gini. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is 20. 20.
Often I read too much. No,
oh, that cost massive. I send them a text. This guy are there or not. I don't know. The kind of unprofessionalism I've seen with people. All the too much. All the too much. The unprofessionalism is too much. Hello? Hello? There's nothing good about today, please. I'm not going to respond to that. The unprofessionalism is too much. Him and I ride the guy. Please, if the installer cannot be here at the time the sheets get here, let me know so I can make another arrangement before the sheets get here. He guy made phone call. I'm highly disappointed. Yeah, I'm disappointed. Yeah, I am. The unprofessionalism is too much. I won't recommend your company again. So on the big just sorry when you got called this too. But I can make this arrangement since yesterday. And then when you have that today, what this thing today. No, the guy. But what I asked for is the guy. You should tell me whether he will come or not, so that I can make another arrangement. That's what I said. I think Naya Buran here. Also, see how now installing. This morning, hello. The arrangement from yesterday to this morning is that you will go with the driver. Okay, this is a long story. Let me leave you and go to find the person that will install this thing, please. Because it's already finished. Yay! Otika for president. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow. The guy that cut the palm tree, he cut them up into logs. He didn't do a good job with the stump. And it has been difficult to bring it out from that, is it a ditch? Would I call it? Yeah. And now I was telling the guy, you need to go and get someone. Or we can call the doormat to come and cut it up a bit more, maybe give it 2 more cuts. And he said, okay, let me go and find someone to come and help me roll it out. And look at that. Yeah, finally I can plan that part of the garden. Yeah, because I wanted to plan it so well. There's a particular look I am going for. So yeah, I'm going to plan it. I want to plan it with the guy that will do the floor before I leave.
The next day.
It's another cool day in the village, and I am going to the site. Who are working there? The painter is there. The plumber for the boys' quarters is there. The guy Kazim, he's also doing the electrical work for the boys' quarters because the man doing this main house, I know Sabi again. He's too slow. We gave the electrician for this house this job based on Imam Madu, like somebody from the village. But yeah, it's going crazy. Kazim, good morning. Okay? I'm okay, good morning, sir. Okay. Oh, one bed don't set here. Oh, one bed. See, these roofing sheets will be installed today. Good morning. You don't start. I trust you now. Make I go inside, I dey come. Listen, music no gree me talk. After several turn by the roofing sheets company, we are finally roofing the boys' quarters. The guy started by transferring the roofing sheets up to the roof, then knock off some of the wood used in casting the parapet. Just the ones that are in their way anyway, not all of them, because you know the parapet hasn't really dried very well, so yeah. You know, some people think that other people have endless time to waste like them. They do not know that some people run on a tight schedule. They tell you long stories to keep you waiting while they go and install for other people. This behavior by Nigerians pisses me off so much. Like, there's nothing I hate than someone lying to me. You must have seen it when they delivered, like my annoyance with them when they delivered the roofing sheets. So we got another group to come and install it today. At this time, I had only 3 days left to do everything I wanted to do in the village. You see how he's placing the sheets? When he gets to the other end, he cuts it to match the angle of the ridge on the rafter. That thing he's dropping at the nail positions is the sealant, yeah, to avoid leakage. After that, he continues with the next line, and that's how they will be going line by line, up and up, till they get to the highest point. Please don't ask me why they don't have safety harnesses or whatever safety gear. I'm asking the same question, and no, it's not my job to provide a safety harness and other safety gear for them. They are self-employed, and just like the self-employed painter, plumber, roofer that comes to work for me in the Western world, they have to bring their own safety gear. If they don't bring it, all I have to do is ask them why are they not wearing any safety gear, and yeah, they laugh about it and tell me, Madam, we have been doing this for 20 or donkey years. So yeah, there are some things you can't change. Yeah, in fact, if you keep pushing and telling them, you're just exposing yourself unnecessarily. Let's go and survey the roofed house. You see that? Ooh. Roofed. Now the next thing is to plaster the house, plaster it, do POP, put the tiles, put the windows, put the doors, put the fittings, then paint it. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Look at that. This place is now dark. It's a proper house. Zoe, this is where you will sleep today.
Me?
Because the house is finished now. Please, the rain won't beat you. Bed? Which kind of bed? You use mats now. I will bring mats for you.